Of the day, it is from California Pizza Kitchen. It's not the best offer. It was 10 miles for 20 bucks, but right now it's lunch time, so it's really busy around here, so I prefer to take a long distance offer, which is not that bad because I'm coming down and then just going up and make 20 than deal with a $7 dollar offer and a bunch of traffic. So hopefully I have it ready. We'll see. Okay guys, so we got it. I had to wait a little bit because they were taking care of other customers. Now it seems that California Pizza Kitchen finally is putting the food in some type of heaven, because they don't normally do that. Anyway, so we got it right here. Now let's get on that way, guys. Over here. Hi, how are you?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's your water. Have a good day, man.
The customer requested you leave the order at their door. They added the following instructions. Leave at my door.
Okay guys, that's done. Let's get on the way. We're dropping off the next pickup. I got this from Grubhub from Krispy Kreme, and I need to look for apartment 19. So let me check. Okay, right here. Perfect. Okay guys, that's done. Let's get on the way. From the Daily Grill. It is just, what took the offer was 3-something miles for $9. Maybe I get lucky if I get a hidden tip from this one, who knows. Terrible guys. Terrible guys, so they don't have the iron anymore, so just wasted gas and time. So I'm gonna call DoorDash, maybe I can get, some type of compensation.
Please listen carefully as our menu options may have changed. If you are a customer, please press 1. If you are a dasher, please press 2. If you would like to report a serious safety issue, please press 9.
Is try to get
Otherwise, remain on the line. Please hold while we retrieve your details. For long wait at the store, press 1. If the store is closed, press 2. If the store doesn't see the order in their system, press 3. If an item is unavailable, press 4. For red card issues, press 5. If the customer wants to change the delivery address, press 6. For contract violations, press 7.
Wow. See that?
To hear these options again, press 1. If you are having an issue with something else, please press 2. This session may be monitored or recorded for quality assurance and training purposes. Your continued participation in this session will be considered as express consent to be monitored or recorded.
God.
Please stay on the line after your call for a brief survey about your experience.
You're the used to be so
Apologies.
fast.
We're experiencing an issue and have longer than expected wait times on the phone. Please use self-help for instant support.
Okay guys, so we're going to wait. They probably didn't want to pay.
With Rick from DoorDash support, how can I help you?
Yes, how are you today?
Doing great, thank you for asking. How are you?
I'm doing fine. I got a problem. I got an order. I came to the restaurant, and the customer only ordered one item, and I came to the restaurant, and the restaurant said that they don't have the item available anymore. That they tried to contact the customer, but that the customer is not answering.
Okay. Well, I'm so sorry to hear if the item is not available, but thank you for letting us know. I'll be contacting the customer for you. Most likely, if it's item unavailable, it will be canceled.
Okay.
But I need you to stay on the line, okay?
And am I going to get compensated if it's canceled?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course. So you'll get half of the guaranteed payment for the canceled order.
Okay.
I just really need to pull up the record. My system is really having an update.
Okay.
So please bear with me, okay?
Okay.
Oh, by the way, this is Carlos, right?
Yes.
Okay, Carlos. One moment. Sorry, I'm just pulling it up here. Okay, and this will be like an order for, let me see here, L.A. bowls and
Yes.
bread. Karen, correct?
Yes, that
Okay. Oh, please do stay on the line now. I'll place a call on hold. I'll contact the customer.
one. Okay.
Thank you.
See, hopefully they don't make me wait.
Hello?
Yeah, sorry. Go ahead.
Carlos?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
I did talk to Karen,
Uh-huh.
and we have agreed upon cancellation of this order. You should receive half the guaranteed payment for the canceled order. Anything
Okay.
else?
No, that's it. That was all. Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, welcome. You have a great day. Stay safe always. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Okay, guys, so I just get paid half of that, and I just pick up another order from Uber Eats for 3 miles, close to $10. So let's pick that one up. Pick up Uber Eats Card Junior. So okay, guys, so we got it, and now let's put it in the car and head on the way, because I just picked up another DoorDash offer heading in the same direction. Let's pick up. Oh, look at that, they got this online order. Hi, I got a DoorDash for this person. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Okay, guys, so we got it. Now let's get on the way. We're here. Hey, how are you, sir? Good. You're welcome, sir. Have a good day. It's hot.
Thank you. Appreciate
Okay,
it.
you're-
Thank you.
Okay, guys, that's done. Get on the way now.
Doing good, brother.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Have a good day. How is business, by the way?
No complaints.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh, I wish. Okay, guys, so that's done. Pickup, it is from Buffalo Wings. It is a DoorDash. It is a terrible pickup. It is $13 for close to 8 miles, so it's not the $2 per mile ratio. But I think I'm going to end my lunch shift at 2:30, so this is gonna be the last one. Anyway, so hopefully they have it ready. Okay, guys, let's pick up dinner chip. It is from Arby's, DoorDash. So hopefully have it ready.
Pickup?
Yeah, for Debra, is these two? Okay, thank you. Okay guys, so we got it. Now let's put it in the car and get on the way. Pick up from Outback Steakhouse. So this is a double stack from Uber Eats. I'm doing a little bit of doing multi-apping. Hey, how are you? I got two pickups. One for EDS and the other one for Jeff.
For which ones?
ED.
And Jeff? Alright,
And
so
Jeff.
it's gonna be these two bags, sir.
Okay.
And then this drink right here.
Okay, so this one goes with this?
Yes, the drink goes with the Jeff.
Okay, with Jeff.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Have a good
sir.
day.
You as well.
Okay guys, we got it, and the guy looks so scared. I mean, calm down, dude. Okay, so let me make sure. Strawberry lemonade. Okay. Let me back this up, guys. The first drop off. Or this right here.
The customer requested you leave the order at their door. They added the following instructions. Leave at my door. Front gate code number 4868.
Hi, how are you? Let me take a picture. Sure. Okay, have a good day, man.
Thank you.
So we're here for the next drop off, number 5. Oh, okay, so just okay guys, that's done. Now let's get on the way. Best Buy, we had to pick up a hard drive for my to be able to edit, so hopefully we can make it fast. So we got the hard drive. Now I need to pick up the order. So okay guys, next pickup from Uber Eats, Indian cuisine. Today has been bad for DoorDash. I have to cancel 2 orders because didn't make it. Terrible today. Anyway, so okay guys, so we got the order. Now let's get on the way. Guys, so we're here dropping off the next offer. Okay guys, that's done.